try to just find some sunshine in the rain, pleasure in the pain. I just want one more escape, darling.